Sorry, I got disconnected. It's clumsy. Anyway, so my liver's done, so I'm gonna unplug this here. And my sauce, I don't know if I show my sauce. This one here. See, this green onions, lemon, soy sauce, and chili pepper. So this is my sauce. Okay. And what I have here, I'm gonna eat with my liver, is my lettuce. So lettuce and livers. This is my lunch for today. I am truly trying to lose weight. It's kind of hard, you know. You can gain really fast, but it's really hard. It's tricky to lose weight. So, again, earlier I said, I've mentioned within 6 weeks I lost 15 pounds. You don't know my diet. It's steamed vegetables and meat. I eat so much chicken and fish. And I eat some sweet here and there, you know, when I'm craving, but not going crazy. Just make satisfied your mouth. Okay, so here's, and then you can see, and then I'm going to put my sauce at the top. Okay, I'm going to put the sauce on the top. This is my dinner. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Lunch, rather. So this is my lunch. Grilled livers, and mix some sauce on top of it, and my lettuce. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for my channel if you want to see more cooking. I'm doing it Filipino and American. Thank you.